Hey, welcome to 20-second tips. If you're new to the channel, congratulations. You just found the most random study tip video on the internet. But don't worry, each week we will discuss one super simple study tip and I will try to make it slightly entertaining. Because what's the point of school if it's not fun, right? This week is all about the worst place to study. And spoiler alert, it is not the bathtub. Though that might not be the best spot either.
20-second tips for home learning.
If you've been around here before, you'll know I'm a huge advocate of having multiple places to study. Your brain does get bored if you sit in the same spot for too long. But while you're busy finding all these little nooks where you can study, there is one place where you really need to avoid. Don't study where you sleep. Always create a clear distinction between awake space and sleep space. This will help keep you dozy at times you want to be sleeping and alert at times you'd like to be awake. The more you blur these lines, the more challenging it will be for your brain to help you out. This doesn't mean you can never study on your bed though. It just means you might need to rearrange your position so that your brain knows the difference between work mode and sleep mode. Oh, I thought you were going to say I couldn't study on my bed anymore. That would be tragic. But do you know what's not tragic? The super awesome random fun fact at the end of the episode. Keep watching to find out what it is. For more study tips and inspiration, check out my blog and Insta below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you never miss another video. Did I mention I drink tea? If you'd like to support these videos, check out my Ko-fi link below. Proceeds will go towards caffeine, which is clearly useful in creating these videos.
And now for the random fact of the week.
A duckbill platypus can hold up to 600 worms in his cheeks at once. I'll give you random, but I'm not totally sure if I'll give you super awesome.